I'm Bridgit Dengel Gaspard, author of The Final Eighth, Enlist Your Inner Selves to Accomplish Your Goals. I'm also the founder of New York Voice Dialogue Institute, and I'm so excited to let you know that registration is now open at the Expressive Therapies Summit for my Voice Dialogue course, which will be taught Thursday, March 23rd, all day, starting 10 a.m. Pacific time. And this introduction to voice dialogue is about how to engage your constellation of inner selves. It's my signature course, so I'm very excited. The premise is our healthy personality consists of many different inner selves, and they have their strengths as well as their stings. And the other thing about voice dialogue is that it's not just an intellectual exercise. So I am packing this course chock full of exercises with the goal that you will leave with so many tools that you can try right away in your own practice, as well as in your own personal life. We will get into the energetics of the different selves, which is a multimodal, multi-dimensional body language, because we don't just think with our different selves. We experience them physiologically, energetically. What are their histories? And all of this often helps melt resistance, right? Our own resistance, our resistance of our clients. So many people come to us because they're stuck, right? And sometimes we as clinicians can get stuck. But with voice dialogue, we want to honor that every single part of us exists to protect us on some level. So once we figure out what's happening, what the protection agenda is, then we're often able to deal directly with the situation that these inner selves are trying to get our attention about. It is so empowering. It changed my life personally and professionally. I can't wait to see you spend a full day together exploring and experiencing voice dialogue together. See you then.